Honor is launching its Magic 7 RSR Porsche design flagship on Monday, December 23rd, and it's expected to go all out on the camera front with a remarkable periscope camera. The brand shared a few teasers on its Weibo profile detailing that the Magic 7 RSR will feature a dual electromagnetic focus motor for class-leading focusing and industry-leading aperture size that will capture more light and details in shots. Reliable Tipster digital chat station chimed in, revealing the key specs of the Magic 7 RSR's camera setup. As per the tipster, Honor is bringing a 50MP main cam with the OmniVision OV50K sensor, a 1/1.3-inch sensor with a variable f/1.2-2.0 aperture. The main cam will be joined by a 200MP 1/1.4 periscope sensor with f/1.88 aperture, 3x optical and up to 100x digital zoom alongside the aforementioned dual electromagnetic focus motor. The third shooter on the back is a 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 122 degrees field of view and 2.5 cm macro mode capabilities. These camera specs are nearly identical to the Honor Magic 7 Pro, which launched in China back in October, but the changes in the periscope module could deliver even better light capture and focusing capabilities.